Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain BEANSTOX mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick review and analysis about this platform, BEANSTOX is a beginner-friendly investing app that helps you grow your money automatically. It creates a custom ETFs portfolio based on your goals and risk level, then invest for you over times as low as $1. The app is simple to use, make it easy to set up your recurring deposit, track your progress, and invest without needing much experience. But it is not perfect. Some users report issues with logging in, linking bank account, and delay with trying to withdraw funds. They are also complained about customer service being slow or unhelpful, and in some cases, fee being charged over after accounts were closed. So while BEANSTOX can be a helpful tool for new investors, this reliability and support problem are sometimes to watch out for. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.